If you want to uninstall AnyDesk on your PC completely, this video will walk you through the full process step by step. We'll remove the main application first, and then clean up the leftover folders so AnyDesk is fully gone from your system. This is a simple method, and it only takes a few minutes. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. It really helps the channel, and it lets you know when more helpful videos are posted. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open the control panel. To do that, click the Windows search bar at the bottom of your screen and type Control Panel. When you see it appear in the results, open it. This is where you can manage installed programs on your computer. Once Control Panel is open, look for the section called Programs. Under that section, click Uninstall a Program. This will bring up a full list of all the apps currently installed on your PC. Give it a moment to load if needed, especially if you have a lot of software installed. Now scroll through the list and find AnyDesk. When you locate it, click on it once to highlight it. After that, look at the top of the window and click Uninstall. Your computer may ask you to confirm the action, so go ahead and approve any prompts that appear. At this point, Windows will begin removing the main AnyDesk application. Just wait for the uninstall process to finish completely. Depending on your system, this may take a few seconds or a little longer. Once it is done, the core AnyDesk program will be removed from your PC. But we're not finished yet. Even after uninstalling the app, there can still be leftover files stored on your computer. To make sure AnyDesk is fully removed, the next step is to delete the remaining AppData files. To do that, press Windows plus R on your keyboard. This opens the Run dialog box. In the box, type %appdata%, then press Enter. A folder window will open, showing application data for your user account. Look for a folder named AnyDesk. If you see it, right-click the folder and choose Delete. This removes user-specific settings and cache data that may still be stored on your system. Next, we need to check the ProgramData folder as well. Press Windows plus R again to open the Run box. This time, type %ProgramData% and press Enter. When the folder opens, look for another AnyDesk folder. If it is there, right-click it and select Delete. This step is important because it removes additional configuration files, logs, and cache data that can remain even after the main install is complete. Cleaning these folders helps make sure AnyDesk is fully removed from the PC. The final step is to restart your computer. Before you do that, save any open work so you do not lose anything. Then restart your PC normally. Restarting helps Windows finish clearing out any remaining temporary data and make sure all changes take effect properly. And that's it. You've now uninstalled AnyDesk on your PC and removed the leftover files as well. If this video helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.